beginning to climb the steps towards success in 1972, in Ankara, Kozanoglu Kozmaksan has left a half-century behind as a leading company, with its sales and service network expanding inside and outside the country. Owing to its production principles, which have never compromised honesty and quality, since the day Kozmaksan was founded, the company was also foregrounded with its corporate identity in its sector and the operation countries. Its headquarters in the first organized industrial zone, the heart of Ankara, the capital of Turkey, and its Ostim branch provided sales and after-sales service 7 days a week, 24 hours a day without any break. It started to produce the hydraulic pumps used in dump trucks. It continued with the production of PTO used in dump and ramp vehicles, hook loaders, and on-vehicle platforms and fuel tankers. In the 2000s, it carried out its success by applying the developments in the sector immediately on its own systems. These developments integrated traceability and measurability into the management systems from the pre- and post-sales services, to the production procedures, to smart storage units, to CRM, and to kiosk devices. And by these means, it adapted all the procedures in terms of institutionalization to the world standards. Again in this period, in parallel with the increasing needs in the areas of automotive, construction, and infrastructure, it reinforced its position in the sector by beginning to manufacture split shaft PTO units for sewer systems, concrete pumps, and fire trucks, transfer cases suitable for 4x4 off-road vehicles, step-up-down gearboxes for mixers, and hydrostatic transfer cases for road sweeping and watering vehicles. Being aware of the fact that adaptation to technology is a must in the industry, it went into cooperation with TÜBİTAK, one of the most important institutions of Turkey in technology, research and development, and technical universities. As the result of this cooperation, it integrated split shaft PTO units and transmission PTO test machines into its quality control department by developing them with its own entity. With CMM control devices and other technological devices, as well as the test devices, the company analyzes all these data, which it gathers to conclude its production professionally, with its expert staff and engineers. Starting from the transformation of raw materials into product and to delivery to the end user. As its conspicuous successes in the sector were not restricted to Turkey, it gained a respectable position outside the country as well by obtaining the quality conformity certificates of the countries it exported to. In addition, its production, which it has developed in respect to the machine safety regulation put into force in 2006, is the first in the market. It also carries the sector a step forward every single day. In addition to the current ISO 9001 system, it has continued to include the 16949 Automotive Quality Management System in its body, so as to leave a clean, livable planet to our children. Kozmaksan obtained ISO 14001 and CE certificates by aiming to reduce the use of natural resources and minimize the damage on earth, water, and air. In this area, it is proud of gifting an innovative product both to the environment and this sector by the virtue of developing the split shaft PTO units with hydrostatic driving system, which it has produced for prestigious on-vehicle material factories and which decreases the emission values on the vehicle. By subjecting its personnel to interprofessional training, it contributes to the company's quality as well as the development of its personnel in the fields of technology and social activity, giving importance to its personnel's motivation outside business life as well. Kozmaksan takes part in various social awareness projects by also taking its role within society into consideration. Kozmaksan is in the leading position within its sector by meeting 70% of the products needed by the on-vehicle equipment sector in the domestic market. In the international sense, it continues its export activities with America, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. It provides a big contribution to the country's economy by directly exporting 50% of its total production to 62 countries. It conducts its work non-stop with firm steps in order to spread its network of products and services through its 8 dealers and more than 100 customers, bringing the sector producers and visitors together and taking its place among the leaders at significant national and international fairs. Kozmaksan acts as the solution partner for the world's leading commercial vehicle producers via its specific and innovative product offers, distinct from its competitors. Today, it is among the companies with the widest product range in its sector through its 750 different types of PTO, 100 different types of Split Shaft PTO units, and more than 50 step-up and down reducers and transfer cases. Kozmaksan maintains its increase in production standards in order to meet the needs of the sector in the most efficient way possible. It carries the excitement of giving direction to the sector in 5 continents, just as it gives shape to steel, with the understanding of work that has not compromised on quality within the past half-century. We have turned perfect into ordinary with the direction of all these works.